Axolotls can regrow entire limbs perfectly, including bones, muscles, nerves, and even spinal cord tissue. If they lose a leg, it grows back in just a few weeks, looking identical to the original. But here's what makes them unique. They can regenerate the same limb multiple times with no scar tissue. Scientists are studying axolotls to unlock human regeneration, because they're basically living proof that perfect healing is possible. They never lose their regenerative abilities, even as adults. Subscribe to learn about more animals that could revolutionize medicine.